Hey guys, it's Angie, and today I'm going to be showing you our ugly kitchen. We bought this house about a year and a few months ago, and every room was pretty much a work in progress. So I got Danny to buy some floor, and we picked out our floor today, and we're going to tile it. And this is our ugly, disgusting looking floor. It's just these peel stick down tiles everywhere, and they're like just dingy and dirty. So I'm gonna kind of take you along this weekend as me and Danny try to tile this large space of kitchen floor. It goes on. There's Bella. Hey, Bells. And then it goes all the way into there, all the way over here, and then we are going to also do the landing floor down there to the garage. And then hopefully sometime after that, I'll be able to get some new countertops, because this hunter green isn't very pretty at all. So that's kind of a quick overview of our kitchen with our fridge. We bought these new. It didn't even have a dishwasher in here. Danny put that in. And you guys have seen my stove and my cooking videos. My double, it's got 2 ovens. And then we got the microwave up there. So I will show you guys tomorrow when we start to lay the boards. Okay, so we've taken every lower cabinet, sink, appliance out of the kitchen here. And Danny has started to tear the tiles that were on the wall because they were all falling off, and while he's doing that, I am starting to remove these crappy stick down tiles that were on the floor. There's Meowser with whatever this tool is here. What's this tool called? I don't know, this red tool with a little thing.
It's like an oscillating tool.
So we do have hardwood floors underneath this, but I don't like the look of hardwoods in the kitchen, so that's why we are tiling. So I have a lot of tiles to be getting up, so this is kind of the second stage after the removal, is to get all of this trash out of here now. And there's a few tiles on this side of the wall over here too, so alright. Okay, so we finally got all the tile off, and the floor is very disgusting. There's big stains over there, so we'll never redo these hardwood. And it only goes to, there's different floor in there. So we started putting down the backer board, which is this right here. Yeah, and that's the next step. Okay, so here is the next completed step. We finally have all of our backer boards down and nailed. This is becoming a long, drawn out process, but hopefully it will look really good. So here's all the space with the backer board down now. And next, we are going to be bringing in the tiles and laying them out the way we want them. Then we will cut them all, and then we will place them all. Hopefully we will be laying the tile by tonight, so that maybe we can grout it by tomorrow. So, alright, I'll see you guys at the next step. Okay, so we finally have the tiles laid, and they're all set. And now we are putting the grout in. So this is how it looks. Let me get a good long shot of it. So that's how it looks on the floor. We need to grout them and then clean them, and then we'll be putting all of our appliances back in. The grouting's a little messy right now, but this is the color kind of that we chose. So it's getting there. Okay, so here is our finished floor. It's all finally done. We haven't put any of the cabinets or anything back in there, but here is the finished area. We're gonna paint the walls a different color. We got new countertops and a new sink. So I'm gonna end this video with the finished floor, And then I'll give you an updated kitchen room tour when we get the walls painted and the countertops in and the new sink. And all of the kitty cats are loving the floor. They're all, comment right there, Bella, Molly, Meowser, and then Crazy Coco in there. Coco! Coco! And here's little Coco. Do you see how little she is? There's Meowsers. And the little Cocos. Oh, and she ran away. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.